I'm gonna give you a model to live for and one worth dying for. First of all, it don't stop till the casket drop. Let me slow that down for you. It don't stop till the casket drop. And it referring to as living, making a way, trying to pursue the dreams and goals that you might have didn't pursue or was able to pursue when you was younger. But remember this, as long as the universe, God, Allah, Jehovah, whatever name you choose to call your supreme being, pump life into your lungs and you wake up and you're able to breathe, there's never a time not to get it. When I was younger, I wanted to be a fireman. Did I become a fireman? No. Did I try to be a fireman? Yes. I passed the agility test. I missed the written test by 6 answers. And when I took the test, I know some of them other guys didn't pass it, but it was other. They was of other ethnicity persuasion, if I'm saying that correctly. So ain't no hard knocks in life. I went back. The dude told me I had to come back in 30 days. Within the 30 days, I found me a job to keep making ends meet, and I wound up staying on that job, which I should have went back, but I never did because I just felt like if some of those guys passed, and I know that someone was dumb as a doorknob, sick and plain and speaking, you know what I mean? I don't want to be a part of that fire department, and I was living too far for another one within my commute to go trying to join another one. With all that being said, I found the new way over a period of time, and it is investing. Right now, you're looking at a screen of Robinhood, one of the easiest investing platforms it is. And check this out. Don't say I don't have the money to get started, because once you sign up, it allows you to do a referral bonus. Basically, once you sign up, it gives you a link where you can take and do referrals. And for everybody to sign up using your link, you'll get free stock. Not only will you get free stock, you'll get certain amounts of stock. And over a period of time, if you keep using that link, putting it out there, it's virtual. It's going to stay out there. Somebody click on it, then you start seeing that money after your account from people signing on. You know what I mean? Let's go to it. Right now, it says rewards. See right here where it says rewards? Let's click on rewards. Now, take note of this. Robinhood financial limitations apply. Get up to $1,500 of stock a year when you invite friends to Robinhood. And right here, look at the bottom. Look at all these different stocks. Amazon, Tesla, BH, Johnson & Johnson, Exxon. I think this is the Walmart symbol. JP Morgan, P&G. You know what I mean? Stock investing is not hard. You just learn about the companies before you invest into them. You know, just because you have a big name, you want to know exactly their price and earning. That's P&E. You want to know what they did last quarter, what they did last year at the same time this quarter. All this information is public. And on this app right here, it gives you a basic broad view of any company that you want to invest into. Right here, look, it says earn fraction shares. We slice whole shares into smaller pieces of stock. Limitations apply. All right. Now check this out. Get $5 to $200 in stock. 99% of rewards are worth $5. 1 in 100 customers can get at least 10, and 1 in 1,000 can get at least 200. You can get up to $1,500 per year for referring friends. Everyone gets stock. You're guaranteed stock when your friends successfully sign up and links their bank account. So simple as that. And when they come to link your bank account, that's how you transfer money over to the platform to actually start purchasing stock. And the good thing about it is they have in their sweep account, if you don't use the money to invest and it's just sitting there like sitting in a regular savings account, that money earns an interest at 4.1 APR, annual percentage rate every year. In your bank ain't giving you that. Your bank can give you 0.0.0.1, if I'm saying that correctly, or 0.001% of interest of the money that you are leaving in your savings account. But they're definitely using it. Believe that. Let's go over here. Let's go over here to investing. So I'm in one of my current accounts. Over to the right hand side. Right now I'm sitting at $2,659.58. The stocks I have right now, as you can see, I have AVAX cryptocurrency, Shiba, Dodge. I just hold on to those, got small amounts in them just in case it do something. You know what I mean? And I always tell people, never invest money, especially in crypto, that you're not willing to lose if you plan on being a long-term holder. Now, if you're a day trader, meaning that you're trading by the second or the minute or the hour, you jump in, jump out, that's how you do it. But me, I use a swing trade because I do have a day gig. And I also set alerts on each one of my stocks. And what I mean by setting alerts on each one of your stocks, say for instance, you go in here, I'm gonna go on bots. BOTS is an ETF. ETFs are exchange traded funds, meaning they got a basket of stocks inside of them. So if you bad at picking stocks, just get your ETF that got their favorite stock in that you like Apple, Nike, you know what I'm saying, Facebook, which is Meta now. ETFs, where you buy a basket of stocks instead of buying one stock. But just using this as an example, right now this ETF is $25.59. So let's say if you want to set a marker for $28. If it go up to $28, it's gonna send you an alert. Or if it drops down, you can set an alert for, say it's at $25.59, you can set it at $25. So if it went down 59 cents, you can say, well, I'm gonna sell it, I'm gonna hold it. So once again, it's not hard investing once you learn the companies and you see the trends that are on. Like, look at this here. See, it'd have been a good time to buy down there when it was $25.06 and sell when it's $25.35, and that'd have been what, 35 cents you would have gained. But look over here, where we at now. It's at $25.59. So let's go to an advanced chart setting. It's not hard, man. It's not hard. I was looking at some of these charts where they were saying buy at the resistance level and buy at the I can't think of the name of it right now, the ceiling, you know what I mean, meaning the highs and the lows. But it's all on you. It's all on you. And once again, it is not hard to invest, man. It's not hard. Matter of fact, it's quite easy if you ask me. Also on the Robinhood platform, let's see here. Let's go into something else I'm constantly doing. I have a retirement account on here too. I just went on set one over here. Right here, I'm not unlocking 3% IRA match with Robinhood Gold because they charge you for that. You know what I mean? So it's like, if you ain't playing with some big money, then ain't no need even doing that, because they're gonna charge you monthly for even having that type of account. And I think that's $5 a month. Right now, this Roth IRA account is sitting at $532. I'm able to put $6,000 in a year, but this is a good way. I got a buying power of $76, so I'm gonna probably drop that off into, you know, some of these that I got into this retirement account. It gives you a brief overview of everything you got. I got SPYG, IJR, VWO. And if you want to know about any of these companies, let's just take SPYG. Just type it up here, which I could have clicked on it, but I'm gonna type it up, SPYG. All right, let's click on that. This SPDR is Portfolio S&P 500 Growth ETF. This is another ETF. When you scroll down at the bottom, like here, you can review the basics. Take a moment to learn the lingo and grow your confidence as an investor. Review the basics. Let's say here, SPYG tracks an index of primary large cap growth stocks. The index selects companies from the S&P 500 index based on the 3 growth factors. So even if you grab this ETF right here and just look at all the companies that's in it, you don't have to actually buy the ETF. You can go in and use some of the stocks that they got in there. Because one thing I know about these ETFs, they're going to kick out companies that's not doing well. So if you just want to be a stock picker and you don't know how to pick stock, use the ETF and look into the basket of stocks that's inside of an ETF to pick what stocks you want to buy. You know what I'm saying? And swing trade or sit on for the long term. Let's X that out. Let's go to the bottom. Let's see what's inside this fund. The sectors that they're in is technology, healthcare, consumer clinical, communication services, energy, financial service, consumer defense, industries, real estate, basic materials, and utilities. That's basically the world. You know what I'm saying? Let's go over to, let's see here. Let's go down. These are the top 10 holdings, 45.0% of total assets that I have right now. Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Alphabet A, Alphabet C, that's Google, Tesla, Amazon, United Health, ExxonMobil, ELI, Lilly. So each one of these companies, these top companies right here, you can just invest into them on a solo. See, right now, Apple is sitting at 174, and I don't think Apple is going nowhere. You know what I mean? Apple is a multi-billion-dollar company, I'm thinking. And it also gives you a little write-up on Apple. You can take and read that. You can go a little deeper into that by going on Google, Yahoo, Apple Seeking Apple. But this is just a brief overview of a certain point on Robinhood, man, where you can just learn. It's basically just reading and educating yourself on what you're investing into. And it's not hard. Start out with $5. You know, start out with $10, start out with $50, whatever you can, and just let it sit on a company that you trust and believe in, that you're already probably purchasing, like your iPhone, or, you know what I'm saying, you maybe got an Android phone, or, you know, you go check your refrigerator. You might got Kellogg products, Colonial bread, Heinz ketchup. You know what I mean? Look at all these different products that you're already buying. Look at colognes, Polo, Ralph Lauren, Gucci, Prada. You know what I mean? All these companies are publicly traded on the stock market. So anyone that you buy, or those are companies that you believe in if you're buying their products. So become a owner with that product and buy shares of their stock. Peace. That's just a word up on everything. Stay blessed.